Hello again. This is how I support my beans. These are pole-type beans. These are Christmas limas. I just use these saplings that come up every year all over the place. We usually just chop them up and throw them in like a brush pile and burn them later in the summer. But I'm using them in the garden right now. They're pretty easy to use. You just find one that's fairly straight or halfway straight, like this one. You cut the end with the loppers, make it sharp, and you put two in the ground like this. And then you support this pole over top with some wire. Pretty simple. And then you run strings down from here to the beans, and I'll show you that. So here we are after we've put it up, put them in the ground, and we've put the pole on and we've wired it down. Now we have to cut the ends off because we don't need that much. I guess you could leave them like that if you want, but I like things neat, so I'm going to cut those off. I couldn't find my twine, so I used some more of those little saplings that come up. These are little branches that came off of one of these, and they work really good. They will, those pole beans will just track right up that, and then if I need to, I can always attach this with some twine or wire or whatever, but I think the beam will be just fine. It'll attach that to this, and should last the whole season. They might last 2 seasons, this whole setup, but if not, you can always rebuild it. You don't got much invested, just some time. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and push that like button. Thank you for watching.